Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, October 25, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay up to date with our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Boost your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 17, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate with a score of -1.53. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock witnessed a loss of -3.42%. This indicates an average daily loss of -0.49% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decrease in its value. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -7.20% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The potential return for investors ranges between -11.36% and -1.41%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 34.71% change in the stock's value over the next year. Investors could potentially see returns ranging from 32.79% to 65.04%. This translates to a price range of $227.20 to $282.39 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple highlights that the stock price decreased by 1.35% on Wednesday. On the last trading day, Apple's stock price went from $173.44 to $171.10, a decrease of 1.35%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $170.65 and a high of $173.06, showing a 1.41% change. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 4.84%. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 11 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 53 million shares were bought and sold for a value of $9.12 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price the Apple stock reached was $198.22, while the lowest was $124.17. Currently, the stock is trading 13.68% below its 52-week high, which is a difference of $27.12. It is also 25.04% below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Today, we'll be discussing recent analyst ratings for Apple, the stock of Apple Inc. On Wednesday, October 18, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. And on Friday, September 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Apple an overweight grade with a hold action. These ratings provide valuable insights into the market sentiment towards Apple Incorporated and can influence investor decisions. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the P/E ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Apple stock. On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.393%. This suggests that there could be further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to note that there are also some negative signals that may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals for Apple stock, painting a more negative forecast. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and starts to rise, it may face resistance at $174.12 and $175.56. Breaking above these levels could trigger buy signals. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. It's important to keep a close eye on the stock in the coming days. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a sell signal. Pivots, we had a buy signal 21 days ago. Bollinger, we saw a buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also showed a sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $170.69. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected. Overall, Apple's stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $2.41 between its high and low, representing a 1.41% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.64%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2023 is expected on November 2, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for Apple's earnings in Q3 2023 stand at $1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we see an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $177.97. If you're not yet invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. And for those who already hold Apple stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the flip side, if Apple's stock price starts to decline, the first support level we encounter is at $170.69. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. One notable insider, Condo Chris, conducted the 5 most recent trades, involving a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -22.117. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,785,262 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple stock is showing several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and falling trend. This indicates that it may continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, October 26th, we anticipate Apple to open up by $0.503 and commence trading at $171.60. Before we dive into today's video, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest, where we provide you with an insightful view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section. We're curious, what is your target for this stock? Let's engage in a meaningful discussion and help each other grow. And if you find our content valuable, remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.